little, the Nova's getting complete, and I'm getting closer and closer to that day where I can say I'm ready to cruise in it. With all the things done already, you know, the paint is done, the bumpers are in place, the exhaust system is done, and all the emblems and trim is in place, you think I'd be ready to start cruising in it. But there's one little detail that's left to be completed. Let me show you what that is. When I started dismantling the Nova 3 years ago, on the bottom here, the rocker panel all along, all the way to the front, basically in between the front tire and the rear tire, there was a trim molding called a rocker panel molding. And so here they are right here, and they're pretty long, and they're in great shape when I removed them. Now at first I thought, well, why don't I just restore these? I just have to, you know, put my oven cleaner, get rid of the anodized coating, and then polish it up. But then I thought, well, since I re-chromed my bumpers, why don't I have these chromed? Because it would be so much simpler to have these chromed. Plus it would make a nice addition to the chrome pieces I have already, which in this case the two wheels, the front and the back, are chrome, so this is going to be in the center. So it's going to look pretty cool having this in chrome. So I'm going to have these chromed, and we'll see what they look like when they come back. So here are my rocker panels. I called up my friends at California Plating, told them about my idea, had my rockers sent in, and they gave them back to me full of bling. Look at that. Now that is gorgeous. They look awesome. Awesome, awesome. That's gonna really, really look good on the Nova in between the two chrome wheels. So let me show you. I didn't show you this in the other video, but it was a necessity for me to put this trim on because I have holes in my rocker panel for this molding. So it's a total of 12 holes. So I had to put this rocker molding on the car. Let me show you the hardware. And I think I'm just going to go Home Depot and get me some new bolts, just so that I have nice silver bolts. Let me see if I can find these in silver, because they're rusty and I don't feel like, you know, treating them and then painting each one of these, because there's 24 of them and they're really small. But here are the clips. So the clips hold the molding on from the top, and then these screws get screwed on the bottom. So, you know, there's 24 of them. So that's pretty much the hardware to put my bling on the car. So let me go ahead and get some new screws and put them on the car, and let's see how it looks. So here it is. The chrome rocker trim molding is in place, and I think it looks sweet. Really nice addition to the rest of the chrome that's on the car. Let me give you a side profile look. So you can see there, it's pretty much chrome molding on the bottom. And then the Novas, they also came with a molding that went on the back of the quarter panel, on the lower portion. But because I decided to go with chrome looking tips, which those are stainless steel, I think that putting a chrome molding, you know, for that part of the quarter panel on the bottom there, right here, would kind of be too much chrome, you know, chrome against chrome. So I decided to just leave it with just the tips. And I think that that makes a really good look for the car. And that pretty much completes the look. So as you can hear, the car is warming up. I'm getting ready to go cruising in it. I'm very happy with the way it looks, and I'm officially done with the exterior of the car. So I gave it a nice wash, and as you can see, hopefully the camera's picking it up, I gave it a nice sealing job finally, since the paint is fully dry now. So I sealed it up, so you can see there. how clear the reflection is. You can see how clear it is. So I think I didn't want to do wax. I wanted to just do sealant. It's a synthetic sealant that you put on it, and I think it gives a really good look. And there's a chrome molding on the bottom there. I think that came out really sweet. So I'm going cruising. Hope you enjoyed. I'll give you one last look at the side profile. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.